How to withdraw funds from TEMU. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can withdraw funds from TEMU. For that, you want to open the TEMU app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. You can do that by entering your credentials. Once you have been signed into your account and you want to withdraw funds, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, if you have enough funds, then the option of cash out will be visible in the interface. All you want to do is tap on that option. Now you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. After you enter the amount that you want to withdraw, you will have to select the payment method. Simply enter the payment method and click on the cash out option. Once you click on the cash out option, you will be able to withdraw your funds from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.